How's it going?
Hello?
Richard!
Hello.
Hey!
How you doing, Harry? You remember me, Sonny boy? You know, back in the old cottage, Sonny boy?
How's it going?
You sat in my lap, Sonny. We read old stories. We played Chutes and Ladders. I remember the old goat, Harry. Do you remember him? What was his name, Harry? Tell me his name, Harry.
Richard, you've never called me with any purpose in your life.
For heaven's sakes, tell me the name.
Mike?
Yes.
Or Harry? Mike?
Yes.
How's it going?
Mike.
Hi, Mike. Yeah?
Hello?
Hey.
Hello?
What's up, Harry?
Hi, Mike.
You know me. And my cousin Kevin. You know me, man. What's up, dude? I haven't seen you in hella days.
What school do you go to?
I go to Alta Vista now. I went to Pally.
Oh, Mike Gonzalez?
Yeah.
Oh, hey.
What's up, dude?
Nothing?
So what's up on a Kit Kat?
Don't you go to school with Richard? He was just on the line.
Yeah, he sucks. Hey, but what's up on a Kit Kat bar reunion?
What? I don't know what that means.
Yeah, you do, dude.
Oh, Kit Kat. I remember Kit Kat.
You mean like give me a break for a Kit Kat bar?
No.
Kind of, but we gotta
I guess
do
it's
something.
our
Like,
idea.
we gotta make some more albums and shit, dude.
Bust the flow.
That's right.
We gotta get together and do a bunch of acid and stuff and record it. It's gonna be really cool.
Hey, while you're on the phone, bust the flow.
Bust the flow.
Yeah, bust the flow right now.
Why you want me to bust the flow?
Because I've heard from Harry that you have some really mad skills.
Yeah, you're pretty talented.
Who's that?
We know some producers. There's some pretty famous producers right here.
Let me see you. Let me hear you bust the flow.
I don't bust flows.
Yeah, you didn't hear. You missed it earlier, man.
It's pretty lame flow. Didn't even rhyme.
Actually, I've been watching this shit.
He's not gonna flow. He's too scared.
All right, and you guys can all go take it up the ass now. Later.
Thank you.
Bye. Steve?
Steve's.
Lovely.
Steve?
I hear that Mike Gonzalez kid blows goats.
That's probably correct.
Yeah,
I don't
think it is. That's right.
I don't get involved in some things.
I hear Harry likes to join in on the fun.
Come on, dude, be hardcore. Let's go for a walk.
I'm telling you, dude, I'm too tired. I don't want to go for a fucking walk.
So, I want to see two more. Hello there, how are you?
He took that bitch.
Finals, Josh.
Did all right.
That was Richard.
Mother of God.
And welcome back to the Harry Show.
Matt.
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 Hello.
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 Good day, mate.
Hello.
Jessica. Jessica?
Yes, this is Jessica.
Hi, Jessica.
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty swell.
Pretty swell.
Yep.
I spin, but
How's your Chutes and Ladders going?
Good.
Fairly well. I've won one round. Jacob won another.
All right.
So what are you doing
Yeah.
right now, Jessica?
I am sitting at my friend Sarah's house. We're doing our homework, drinking some wine.
What kind of homework are you doing?
I am doing my English homework. I
Is
have a
it
journal
fun?
to write.
Wow.
Yeah, that was great.
Sounds interesting. Sounds like a fun evening.
Yeah, doesn't it?
What's your favorite flavor ice cream?
I would have to say fish food.
Hey, that stuff's awesome.
Wait.
Fish food?
That's with the marshmallows in
It's
it.
not flavored like fish food.
Chocolate ice cream with a marshmallow.
that's like that-
It's got like little
fudge
white chocolate
fish.
fishes in it.
That's like
Yeah.
that hippie band Fish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you listen
So-
to the group Fish?
I
shouldn't.
have. I wouldn't say that I do.
Because you
You
should.
don't enjoy them? Yeah, they
That's
suck.
Yeah, they do.
That is true.
So what school do you guys go to?
We don't go to school.
I go to Pali.
You go to Pali?
Yes.
Are you a senior?
No, junior.
Junior?
My hair looks so neat.
Yes, it does.
Thank you.
All right. Well,
I go to
I've
deodorant
never-
school.
What school?
Deodorant?
Yeah.
you
What's
don't.
this caller number 9?
Color number 9?
It said be
Oh,
caller
okay.
number 9, and I
Right.
called and.
Okay, well, thanks for calling us, but I guess we're reaching the end of the show.
Okay.
And, okay, so I'm just going to say goodbye for now, but please catch us in reruns and email us too. And in reruns, you'll find our show a lot more interesting because we're going to throw in some fancy videos for you
And a music video.
and a music video and all sorts of neat junk. So email us and watch us in reruns. Thank you. Will? Never mind.
If you ever go down to the shore, there you'll find a boat and oar. And if you row that boat across the sea, there's an island with a television celebrity. On this island you will see Velcro Fathoms sitting happily with his friends having cakes and tea. There you will be free. It's Velcro Fathoms,